Creating a restore point in Windows 10 is a valuable precaution to safeguard your system in case of issues or errors. Here's a concise guide. Access System Properties. Type Create a Restore Point in the Windows search bar and select the matching result from the control panel. System Properties. In the System Properties window, go to the System Protection tab. Select Drive. Under Protection Settings, you will see a list of drives on your computer. Select the one you want to create a restore point for. Create. After selecting the drive, click the Create button. Provide a description. You'll be prompted to provide a description for the restore point. It's a good practice to enter a brief and descriptive title that relates to why you're creating the point. This helps if you need to use it later. Create. Once you've provided a description, click the Create button again. Confirmation. Windows will start creating the restore point. This process may take a few minutes. When it's complete, you will receive a confirmation message. Complete. Your restore point is now created and ready for use.